How are you today? Today should be Tuesday, the 23rd of December. So that means Christmas is in 2 days. Are you excited for Christmas? I hope you have a wonderful Christmas holiday and that you get lots of presents. Okay, maybe you can say which presents you want to get. I want candy. I want a cell phone. Everyone have a say. What presents do you want to get? I want to get maybe some makeup. I think I want some makeup for Christmas. Yeah. Or I want a new scarf, something like that. What do you want for Christmas? So guys, today we are going to review the grammar and vocabulary. Well, we're going to review the vocabulary and we're going to practice the grammar for lesson 15 of TOEFL. So first thing I want you to do is open your books to the workbook in your TOEFL book, okay, in the back where you do all the writing, workbook, the blue one, and then we'll review the vocabulary together. Okay, so first thing, we're going to review the vocabulary. So let's say together, soldier, wooden, battle. Okay, soldier is person who works in the army. Okay, so read this sentence together with teacher. The soldier went on a mission. Wooden. This is a wooden table. This is a wooden spoon. I like wooden furniture. Can you see anything in the classroom that is wooden? Maybe in your hand? Pencils? Usually pencils are wooden. They're made from pencil. They're made from wood and I think some kind of lead. They're made from wood and lead. Okay, next one we have is battle, which is same as fight. Battle and a fight. Okay, so the two robots had a battle to see who was stronger. Who is more strong? Do you think robot or Godzilla? Who is more strong? Who's stronger, do you think? I think Godzilla is stronger because he can shoot fire. Okay. The next one we had was a fence. Fence like this. There is a fence around the chicken coop. Mobile phone or cell phone. I would like a mobile phone for my birthday, or I would like a cell phone for Christmas. Okay. The next one is computer lab, which is a place where you can use a computer, usually in high school, 고등학교, and university, 대학교. There is computer lab. Okay, maybe, I don't know, Korea school. Do you have computer lab? Maybe 중학교, middle school, they'll have computer lab? I don't know. Okay, the next words we had was the words we had were research, 연구, research. They did research on wild animals. Respect, 존중, respect. Okay, it's good to respect your mom and dad. Cheat, cunning on a test. If you cheat on the test, you will get 0%. Cheating is not good. Okay, next one we have is cost. How much money? Okay, 돈 얼마나 들어? How much money does it take? So, a smartwatch costs a lot of money. An eraser doesn't cost a lot of money. Or you can say, this snack cost 1,000 won. My cell phone cost ding ding won. Okay. Then next one is go away. For this one, it's about your your symptoms. 증상. Your symptoms like my cough went away. 기침 나았어. 기침 없어졌어. My cough went away. Or my headache went away. Okay. Also same as just go away. Teacher, go away to South Africa. I went away. And remember this one, we usually use in past tense. 훨씬 더 많이 쓰는 형? 형? 과거형으로 훨씬 더 많이 쓰는 말이에요. went. go 별로 쓰지 않아요. We don't really say go away. For 증상, we say went away. My stomach ache went away. My headache went away. My toothache went away. My cough went away. My runny nose went away. Okay. Then next one we have thousands of means many 천만엔 many things that went away. Many things that are in the sky that are somewhere. So thousands of stars, thousands of people, thousands of bugs, thousands of bugs, horrible. Okay, so try and make a sentence over here. 문장 만들자. There are thousands of bugs. Or there are thousands of fish in the sea. There are thousands of germs, 세균, germs. Aha! Everywhere. Try to make sentence. If you want, you can pause the video and everyone make a sentence. If you didn't pause video, then we'll just continue to the next slide. So this one, break down the door. This firefighter is breaking down the door so people can escape. 도망갈 수 있기 위해 문 깨내고 있어. They're 깨장내고 있어. They're trying to break the door. Okay. Then next one is play a trick. 속여요. Play a trick on someone. Okay. In lots of stories, there's fox, and fox tries to trick other animals lots of the time. In Korean story, is there animal that tries to trick people? Try to think. Okay, so this one says the students played a trick on their teacher, and this one we didn't read, so I'll read it now. They had to break down, they had to break down the door to escape. Then a few, 몇 개, 몇 명, 몇 마리. I had a party with a few friends yesterday. I saw a few dogs at the park. 공원에서 강아지들 몇 마리 봤어요. Okay, a few. Then next one we have, then we're done. Okay, then we're done reviewing. So now I want you guys to open your books over here, page 134, 134 over here, okay? Please open your books. Lesson 15, Introduction, is what we will do today. Okay, so just like lesson 14와 마진까지 비슷해, 똑같아. We have four questions, and one listening. 듣기 하나 쭉 들은 다음에 질문 4개 대답해야 돼. You need to answer 4 questions after listening a long time. Okay, so there will be a long story. And we'll have 4. So 4개씩 부를 거예요. Okay, so why is it safe to use the color yellow? Okay, we need to read quickly before we listen. Yellow is like the sun. People see yellow first, and people like the color. So why is yellow safe to use? So we need to listen for the word safe and use. Okay, then the next one, what color is school bus yellow? Okay, I think you know in America there have big school buses, but in Korea also the 학원 cars, 학원차, 보통 녹색, yellow? Well, I can't remember what yellow is. It's usually yellow, right? Do you go in a 학원 car anywhere? What color is it? It's usually yellow, right? The 학원 bus. Okay, so let's listen, and then I want you to answer.
Unit 8. Long Talks. Lesson 15. What happens after that? Example. Listen and then answer the questions. Numbers 1 and 2. Listen to a teacher in a classroom.
Today we're going to talk about colors. If you go outside, you can see that stop signs and stop lights are red. So you may think that red is the best color to get people's attention. But people see yellow things first. The color yellow gets your attention faster than any other color, even red. Also, in bad weather, drivers can see yellow cars or buses well. That is the reason school buses are painted in yellow. Yellow is the safest color because your eyes can see it very well. A fun fact is school bus yellow is the real name of the color. It is not all yellow and not all orange. It is a mix of the two colors, like the color of a mango.
Number 1. Why is it safe to use the color yellow? A.
Okay, so if we look at the question, why is it safe to use? So for this is safe, they mean like how does it keep us safe? 안전 잘 지키는 색깔 왜일까요? Why is it a safe color to use? So he said that you can see easily 쉽게 보여요 or 눈에 잘 드는 색깔. So we need to choose which answer it is then. Yellow like the sun. They didn't talk about the sun. People see yellow first, or people like the color yellow. They did not say like the color yellow. So we know for this one, the answer would be A, right? Circle over here, A. Ah, not that one. Sorry. B, the answer is B, because people see the color first. It's a safe color because people can see it. Even more than red. You can see yellow easily, is what they were saying. So, 빨간색보다 yellow도 쉽게 보여요. You can see it more easily. Then, what color is school bus yellow? Remember the word he said here was mama? Mix. It was a mixed color. Not just one color, a mix. So, very easy answer. Mix of colors. Okay, so circle those two. Yellow color draws people's attention. Okay, your attention, 집중력 is attention. Like, oh, I see. Okay, or 눈에 잘 드는 거. Oh, I see it. If you're a flashing light, it gets your attention. And drivers, 운전자, can see the color well. So B, that's why people chose yellow. Okay, for school buses. Then, school bus yellow is the name of a color and it's a mix of orange and yellow. That's the name of the color. Okay, then next one we're going to learn about some new grammar. Okay, go back to the PowerPoint over here and we'll look at some grammar that we have. Oopsie. Okay, so the 비교급 하면 할수록 또 해요. Okay, a little bit, this is a little bit complicated and a little bit hard to understand. Okay, so if we look at this example, let's read it slowly. It says, the faster you finish, the faster you can play. So the with 형용사 er, okay, 비교급 형용사 and 비교급 형용사 2 times. So 또 빠르게 그네면 또 빠르게 넣을 수 있다. That's what this means if you translate. Okay, the faster you finish, the faster you can play. It's a little bit difficult, but what you need to remember is you use the same type of adjective. Okay, 비교급. You cannot use the faster you finished, the fastest. Okay, it doesn't work. It has to be er. Okay, or comparative 비교. 비교할 때 쓰는 형용사. Prettier, uglier, nicer. Okay, so next one we have the example. The hungrier. Oh, so hungry. The hungrier you are, the more you eat. Okay, you can use more as well here. So if you're very hungry, you eat more. More hungry, you eat more. That's what this one means. It's a little bit difficult, but I want you guys to try to make a sentence. So, let's see. Can I? Okay, no, I cannot draw for you. But I think you guys should try an example sentence. Try to say example sentence one at a time. 한 명씩 예시 문장 만들자. So, let's say, the faster you think, the faster you can think. Let's stay with fast. Okay, so this one we need verb, and verb. Okay, so we can say like this. Let me actually use a pen here real quick. The faster you think, the faster you can think. Okay, so we'll say like this. The faster you clean up, the faster you can go to sleep. Or the faster you wash your hands, the faster you can eat. Okay, 여러분 그거로 문장 만들어 보세요. 한 명씩, one person at a time. If there's teacher, please listen to their sentences. Okay, 한 명씩 문장 만들어 보세요. 그 만든 다음에 비디오 다시 틀어요. Pause the video for practicing the sentences. Okay. Did you practice the sentences? Are you done? If you're done, we'll go to next grammar point. The next grammar point that we have is no one. Okay, means no person. No person. Okay? Here, one is a person. 아무도 하지 않아요. No one something. Okay, so no one came to my birthday party. 아무도 내 생일 파티에 오지 않았어. So sad for them. Okay. No one wants to do homework. No one wants to go outside because it's cold. 아무 사람 뭐뭐 하고 싶지 않으면 or 하지 않으면 이거 쓰는 거예요. So, no one wants to come to the scary house because it's too scary. Or no one wants to fight. No one wants to fight, okay? Those kind of sentences you can use. So, no one came to my birthday party. That's one version. Then I want you again to make sentence. 문장 만들자. Let's make a sentence. So you can choose two options. 하나 골라요. 아니면 두 개 해도 돼. Okay. So once again, we're going to make sentences. 한 명씩 다시 예시 문장 만들 거예요. Okay, try to think. No one wants to think. We'd say, no one wants to eat broccoli. Ugh. No one wants to play with me. Or no one wants to go outside. Try to think of sentence. Then we can also say no one is here. No one is in the room. The room is empty. 빈 방이 비어 있어. The room is empty. Or no one is busy. 아무도 바쁘지 않아. No one is busy. No one is sleepy. Let's do sentence like that. Yeah, we'll do adjective. No one is sad. No one is happy. Everyone is sad. No one is happy. Okay, try to make sentence like that. I want you to try one or two. Okay, 하나나 두 개. 만들어 보세요. 문장. Okay, then pause. 학생들, 여러분들 문장 다 만든 다음에 비디오 다시 틀어요. Okay, so I hope you're done with the practice sentences. Now, you need to look over here on this page. Okay, so we just did the think. Okay, so we have the harder you study, the better your grade will be. Okay, 더 열심히 공부할수록 점수도 잘 나올 거예요. You will get higher score if you study more. So let's say this one together. The harder you study, the better your grade 점수 will be. Then, this is soon, 일찍. The sooner, the better. Okay, 뭐뭐도 일찍 하면 더 나은 거야. It's better if you do something sooner. Here we don't know what it is. 뭔지 몰라. But this is very common English expression. 이거는 이 문장은 표현으로 배울 수 있어. 엄청 많이 쓰는 표현이에요. Okay, the sooner the better. 뭐뭐 또 일찍 하면 더 나을 거예요. So, if you are sick, it's better to go to the doctor the sooner the better. The sooner the better, so you can get medicine. Or if you are feeling tired, it's better to go to bed the sooner. The sooner you go to bed, the better. The sooner you go to the doctor, the better. Or if you fight with your friend, the sooner you apologize, 사과. The sooner you apologize, the better. Okay, so now we have sentence over here. The thing you climb, the thing it gets. Okay, I think here it's in Korean. 아마 여기서 한국어로 적혀 있을 것 같다. Teacher cannot see, it's not on here. But I think it's the higher you climb, the harder it gets. Let's check the answer and write together. Oh, the colder. Okay, so please write. The higher you climb, write higher. Okay, ER. The colder it gets. Okay, 산에 올라갈수록 날씨도 추워지는 거예요. It gets colder. For real, very cold on the mountains sometimes. Okay, please write this one and this one. Then, after that, we have no one. No one knows the answer. Excuse me. No one knows the answer. 아무도 대답 알고 있지 않아요. No one knows the answer. Okay. No one got a perfect score. Perfect score is 100% 100점. It's perfect score. No one got a perfect score. 아무도 100점 받지 않았어요. No one got a perfect score in my class. Okay, then next one. No one think. What happened? I think this one said, no one tells me what happened to him. So no one tells me what happened to him. 아마 이 사람 뭐 당했어. Something happened, like get hurt or something. No one tells me what happened to him. Okay, please write. And then we're done for today after you write this. Okay, if you're done early, 일찍 끝나면, if you're done early, please review your vocabulary. 일찍 끝나면 단어 복습하세요. Okay, good job, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I will see you next year. Bye.